Hello out there, casual fanatics. Jeremy here. Sorry for the wind noise. I'm out for a walk. This is a casual vlog I did not want to make. No, I'm not planning on shutting down the channel, but it is actually connected to the fact that I am walking about not in a relatively sound insulated environment such as my car. This week has been kind of shit. You noticed that there wasn't a video on Wednesday, like the normal day, and probably not going to be this coming week either. The reason for that is I am not in the video creation mindset right now. I just got a double whammy of awful in the last 2 days. Yesterday, March the 3rd, Thursday, while I was on lunch for my work, I got a phone call from Custer County Sheriff's Department saying that there were papers filed against me from a hospital where I had been treated for a shoulder injury last year. That was supposed to be filed under workman's comp, supposed to be taken care of by my now former employers, long former employer, Kmart, and it never was. So they just kept sending me bills. Of course, I couldn't pay them. I couldn't set up a payment plan for them. And I had other concerns on my mind. Trying to get a new job, trying to get workplace set up, new job in place. And aside from that, again, it should not have been anything that I would have had to deal with anyway, because when it was supposed to be, I gave all the information that I had as soon as I got it to my former employees during the whole time that I was employed with them. But the other one, and the major reason why I'm walking around instead of in a sound insulated environment like my car, is because today at around 11:40 to 11:50 a.m., somewhere between there, I was going across the street from my apartment complex to a 7-Eleven, as I normally do before work, and I got hit head on. My car suffered enough damage that it is not in a drivable state. So, yeah, kind of injury to insult, you know? And yes, I know it's usually the reverse on that. I meant that the reverse way. Suffice to say, I am not very happy today. In fact, right now, I'm actually somewhat coherent. Earlier on, Yukon police actually had to kind of calm me down a bit. Because, you know, whenever something bad happens to me, my first reaction is always, even when I know that it is not the case, as was in these two cases, my first reaction is to say, oh God, what have I done? And even when I think about it and realize that I'm not the one at fault, that part sticks around in my subconscious, telling me that I deserve it, even when I don't. Even when it's demonstratively proven that I don't. It always makes me focus on, is there something I could have missed? Is there something that I did that I shouldn't have done, or didn't do that I should have done, that's going to screw me over on this? Even when I know that there's nothing I can do, that voice will not shut up. And that voice loves to prevent me from doing anything that I love to do. can't go to work right now. Thankfully, I'm on leave of absence. So, I've got a little bit of help there from my supervisor. And my parents have offered me one of their vehicles to drive. It is a big van, but considering that thanks to the bureaucracy within the Yukon Police Department, I don't really have much of a choice for a quick resolution. It may be all I can do. I hate feeling like this. I hate getting into this kind of a state. And I hate when these things happen to me. Because it feels like one giant middle finger from the universe. It feels like the universe is trying to tell me that I don't deserve to be happy. That I don't deserve to be able to take care of myself. That I don't deserve to have a life that is truly my own. That basically I don't deserve to be human. And I get enough of that from politicians, and I've gotten enough of that from authority figures in my life. I don't need that from the universe as well. And I certainly don't need it from in there, from inside the back of my own mind. So, I'm not saying goodbye for good. I'm just going to take a break these next 2 weeks, focus on all the logistical bullshit, and try and get things straightened out. And hopefully things will work in my favor. Hopefully I'll be able to get this straightened out and not have to worry too much about what's going on with logistics and stuff. Sorry about that. I'm tired. This has got to stop. Anyway, I love you all. Keep it casual, okay, y'all.